Kardom B News Thanbang Nili Bapuram Senar Birtang Tonpenar Juponikta Nonpuanta Karbiang Longpen Meghalaya border along Lialam ki nonpuata judun e plengun ilang Khirmi pen kahat khasla adak along chomang atum karju thek dead ajok Khirmi arong arad atum hako pen nampi namdur mate thengpi thengprang kapang jok vek adim chomang atum chiri pharo esi sose hanso khiti nang klembor ide lapen chumang atum hanso khiti ke klembo mahuta Khirmi arad pen apong klemri pudet apita lake Meghalaya pusi klembor ide lasi laso aduya hoyalam pini aro ni phaing koi rahini arni lahin hin pangsamji pura sam magistrate lapen Meghalaya ahin pen sitame penang anake thegiding atum chetong si munsam ke banjia phan chethanchi mumpon lapen B News 7 ahin pen birtang ton pen langponiktha
both the sides. Yeah. So, do you have any other form of livelihood other than cultivation, other than agriculture?
Yeah.
Do you have? Tell me honestly. All of you who are here. Do you have any other form of livelihood? Are you very rich people? No. Your livelihood, your yes. Listen to me. If you to ensure two-time meal, you'll have to go to the field and work. So if you keep fighting among yourself, then you will not be able to ensure two-time food also for you, for your children.
Okay.
If you have any other form of livelihood, then keep fighting. But you don't have. So agriculture is the only way of your livelihood, isn't it? To go earn money. So if there is a possible solution, then go for it. If you start fighting among yourself, just like what happened some time back, you will not bear any fruit. So the immediate solution is that it is very important for both the communities that cultivate land they were used. Let them cultivate on that land. There is no need to, there is no need to start plowing in a new land which is contagious. See, the problem will happen because this land doesn't belong to one single individual. The entire community, they have ownership, and they have this understanding between them that they will not use their land for any cultivation purpose, any personal or commercial purpose. It is for the community, so that in future, if the population grows, if there if there is any explosion of population of some people, they have more number of children, then if there is a lack of resources, then they will proceed there. That is the point.
Cultivate it. From time immemorial.
From the time this village has been established, they have not used this land for any cultivation. So the only fact right now here is that they are asking that wherever they were cultivating, alongside with them, peacefully let them cultivate. We are also happy to cultivate because this is a cultivation season, isn't it? So wherever they have been cultivating, let them cultivate. But they should not proceed to a new area, because what will happen is make the area. See, one or two people they might understand, but like all of the bunch of the people that are that means only this side, no? Yeah, this side. This side or that side. How big? Yeah, I want to know their side of story also.
This before, this particular place, commonly used.
No. Commonly used. Wait. Okay. And their point is basically
This particular place.
Media lapen karbiang rong arada tum panan kardom pajirlo. Ini langsa press meet ki hangnang ko kalam thege la hello. Kidam tang Meghalaya pen ke wang chumang atum ye la dakke Meghalaya along le pupen Khirmi along hakupen hakisarani pen lake village reserve pu kipiadim nang pri punsi alang tum sai katiki hansu busamenang ederlo langsa puthak se Khirmi arat kachuning ripen disi along chetong dam pen hadak pen alam the pini me straight wangsi hapu Meghalaya na thupen pustame wang pen kachingwai padupon lo langsa chingwai along bangke la puse cherai pon lo ye la dagalong le bangke chungmanga tum tiki long lo la pen la dagarat batela nitum ACA pen pustame kachuning ridon alam bangke la helo langsahan so cipur wek nai cipur petik ke ladak ke kermiarat punon esie punon lake kroikre lapen cidon nunde lapen bordar alam pen ajoine ladak ke kidam tang jiliras koralong punon madana long pun setame ladak kambura tum dake West Gentia Hill pu kambura tu masil lapen a writing pet ke do ko bangke manghume melo lang sabu thaka bangke council ben punon lapen kara tum punon SGB tum punon stame labangke insai vek nai athe me thanga dim se la hai ot langu ke klema bangke ili langding bangke chok chelo lapen gedam tang MP election bustame dak se kidu dak se latum ga chuklem dak se sai tu ki chuti kilo se tame alang tum vut jok jade bangke lang sa phu thakta prap jing pen insai nangi pusi nitum ACA pen stame tuning rilo pen sudak pen pachini lo
Meghalaya pen kebang FPS abang kukang lo non cikloyon prok atau cikloyon prok siang bong pen ahoy central government pen hak po lumo jaman pusitika pasilas to puthak mali isit po
langsa puthak ke nitum ACA pen ta chidon nunde athela ke 1951 demarcation lo la pen lake nitum ACA pen punon matu neta chikroi dunde
Temet ardi nang pidu nang bang kay litum Karbiang long council team tum alang litum se labang so nong rei phelang kacari aja kong galang litum mong sedo la se alang litum tamen nang celang duna sonte anu se meji bima labang so dim ke cuma ngatum ke lapuan le latum kangton ji kali athe ke bini lapuan cingki pen latum ington sta pinap dik pendai ko natum nang klan thuthai la se permanent solution kilong ni phan bang galang litum han prabjin pen litum daum khelmi arab pen dame tuning ripar piglo la se labang sorry ap ke nilitum awe nilitum kabil tiari japina ha epi phol nani pen dame nilitum phan la dake munon phi ap la hiring tak enat hai de bedia ji ili tumke longlei phelang ke pangcho dim ke la itum kenang sot MD ji ke mije phan same labit he ang nam tame ili tum non ke dak abidia lu busia joine pasi aprang agambura tum ithik pikang panglo la sela bang so dim ke nili tum ke asap tame ni tum ke piji phan ke ni tum ke kroi kre mate kroi thek the la se Pini aka ceraya teng pen tamen tum ke deng pon kela puhan lo jela bangso hanso edelo stame nangchi phurphe ti ke nili tum ning samselang la se prabjin pe la bangso hanso tame ke pachi phul pon thute ti phanse nili tum dak khermia rong parat hoi pen same patenili sarkari gamra hoi pen same tunili parpik lo pasini li hin pen Kipudam je bang ke avelo kon se nili nam thing ton pon diklo